and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned many topics related to Python and I hope you all enjoyed that. Now in this class, we will learn that how to build one tic-tac-toe game with Python and I hope you will enjoy this class also. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your text editor what you have, okay? Like I have Atom text editor, so I will open it. Like I have tell you, I have open my Atom text editor because I am work with it, okay? You can open any text editor you want to from where you work your coding, okay? Now I will open my text editor from here, okay? Now you can see there are many options, like I have connected my Atom text editor with my Kite software, okay? So now I will start. Now you can see this, there are many options here, like there is one file option, then there is edit, then view, selection, find, packages, help. From here you can help. If you don't know about your text editor, so you can take help from here, okay? And you can also check here from update, like if it has the latest version, so you can see that it has a latest version, and then you can see this update and you can update your text editor from here. Now there are packages here, you can see that command palette, you can also change the color of it, like if you want your theme into white, so you can also change it into white. If you want to dark, so you can also change it into dark. Like I have changed it my theme into dark because I like this and this is really comfortable for coding here, okay? Now we will start. Now here you can also see that there is one arrow, so when you press it, this is GitHub repository, okay? Here, from here you can take your things like folders in which you have stored your files here, okay? You can take this from here, okay? So you can take these things from here. It is really easy to take, just you have to take your repository and just take it to your text editor from here, okay? And there is also one arrow from here, you can take any folders in your computer, okay? Like I have tell you, if you drag it into your Atom text editor, so your file will automatically come which are in your folder, okay? I hope you understand that. Now just close it. Now we will work with our text editor. Now we will build one tic-tac-toe game, like I have tell you. Now for building it, first we have to write comment, okay? Like we have learned about this comment many times because I have tell you about this comment many times in my many classes. I have tell about you in these comments, and these are really important for any big project if you are working, so you can remember the codes which you write, okay? Because if there is coming mistakes, so you can't find it quickly, it will really late for you to find it, okay? So from here you can take command and you can also check that what is mistake in your code, okay? From here. Now when you have done that all, just you have to write this dashes. Now we will start with our global variables, okay? Now you can see this, I have written this and this dash is here, okay? Now you can see from here we can run, like I have tell you. Now just close it. Now here we will write global variables, okay? Because we are starting with our global variables, so we will write here global variables, okay? Write here global variables like this, okay? You can see this, I have written in my comment global variables, okay? Now dash dash again, okay? Now you can see we have written again dashes. Now just you have to press enter here, okay? Now we will write another comment here, okay? The comment will be like, just you have to write this sign here, like if you press shift and 3, so this sign will come, hashtag this is called. So from here you can do many things. It is used for do comments in Python, so you can use it for comments, okay? Now when you have done that, just we will write here like will board data, okay? Now I have written just like that, it will control our board data, so we will write here will control our board data here, okay? Control our board data, will control our board data here, okay? Because we will write here our board data, like we will first we have to define the board, then we will define things like in which we have written our board, okay? So we will define that. First of all we have to define board, okay? Board will be defined like, first of all you have to write here board, okay? Board tag, because we are defining board, so this is really important to write here, okay? First of all save it. Now we will check that it's working or not, python h.py, okay? no error is coming because we have not defined. There is coming name, board is not defined. Okay, so we have to define this from here. Okay, now come over here and write equal to, then you have to do like write here square brackets, then you have to write two string, not one string. Okay, if you write one string there will be coming error, and two strings and one string are really different from each other, keep really different from each other, so we have to also keep differentiate in each other. Okay, now this is one string but we will write two string like I have tell you. Now in this string we will write dash. Okay, now you can see I have written dash, then comma, then like another string, then dash, and then another string, and then comma again. Now you can see I have written 3. Now we will write 3 more here. Okay, now you can see this I am writing 3 more here. Now when you have written, then we will write 3 more again. Okay, because this is board and we will define this board from here. Okay, now write here again, then write here again, and then I have written again dash, then here comma, and then dash. Okay, this is enough dashes. Okay, here now you can see we have defined many dashes here like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We have defined 10 here. Okay, oh sorry, these are 9, so we have defined 9 dashes here. Okay, you can see this we have defined 9 dashes because these are board and we will define it in many things here. Okay, so we have to define this 9 dashes here in our board data. Okay, now first of all just you have to save it. Now we will check that our board python h.py, so you can see this it is running and it is not giving error, so it is working properly. Just you have to, if you have to check, just we will write one tag here like play game here. Okay, now you can see I have written this play game tag. Now if you just save it, okay, just close it from here. Now you have to save it. Okay, save it. Now come over here and write here python h.py, then run it. So you can see this error is here. Okay, because we have not defined our play game, so we have to erase it. And first of all we have to do like when we have defined this all board, then we have to do just here you have to write like let's, then we will write another coming let's us know if the game is over yet. Okay, I have written another comment because we have to define our game. Okay, game means we will define that our game is still going or it is over. Okay, our game is still going, so we will define that game is still going and it is true. Okay, you can also define any tag you want to, but I will define like game is still going and it is a true. Okay, you can also define like game going and true, game still then true. Okay, you can also do like that. Now first of all you have to do like enter here, and now here you have to write like game, then write still, and then write going. Okay, like I have tell you, but you can write anything if you want to. Okay, now just you have to write equal to. Okay, because we are defining here our game is still going. Now when you have written this equal to, just in the front of it we will write here like true. Okay, because our game is still going and it is a true. Okay, so we will define here game is still going and it is true. Just save it. Now we will check that it has the latest version or not. Okay, python h.py first of all. Now you can see this it is running quickly and it is running very goodly. Okay, now come over here and write here like python, and it will be like, sorry, it will be pip. Okay, pip install and it will be like true. Okay, now just capital T here like I have tell you, enter here. Now you can see requirement already satisfied, it has the latest version, but we have already downloaded its latest version here, so there is coming requirement already satisfied here. Okay, now close it. First of all just save it again. Now we will check it is working or not. Pip install, which will be like, now it will be pip install which will be board here. Okay, now we will check that it's working. Oh, you can see this board has the latest version which we have downloaded today. Okay, you can see this install collected packages board successfully installed board dash 1.0. okay, I have the old version of 0 means that 1, so there is coming one version which we have downloaded today and is today. Okay, so you can see this we have worked with it. Now it is working really goodly. Okay, now first of all close it. Now we will define many things here. Okay, we have to define many things like now we have defined lets us know if the game is over yet, then we have defined game is still going, which is true. Okay, now when you have defined that all, just we will do like hashtag again like shift and 3 if you press, so this hashtag will come. Okay, now when you have written this hashtag, now we will do like just you have to write tell tells us if tells us who the winner is. Okay, because now we will define that what is winner. Okay, who is the winner. Okay, O or X. Okay, because we are defining here tic-tac-toe game, so there are two values here which we have to define. So we have to define that who is the winner, but there is no winner, so we have to define like winner will be none. Okay, because there is no winner and our game is not working yet. Okay, so we have to do like first of all save it. Now go to your terminal, write here like Python, and you have to write s.py because our file name is. Enter. You can see this, it is working really cool. Okay, now just close it, come over here and write here like pip install, which will be now like, now first of all just you can see this winner. Okay, we can check this winner. Okay, now just enter here. So you can see this error is coming because it has already one version which we have downloaded, and it has not new version yet. Okay, so we have to wait till the new version will not come. Okay, now first of all close it. Now you can see we have defined that all things here. Game is still going, board we have also defined. Now we have to define our winner. Okay, that who is the winner in our game. Now there is not winner, so we will write here like winner and equal, that will be none. Okay, because winner is none, so we will define here like tell us who the winner is, and winner is none. Okay, because nobody wins here. Okay, now first of all save it. Now just come over here, write here Python, which will be h.py. So you can see this, it is working cool. Okay, now close it from here. Now we will check like again Python, which will be h.py. Yes, now close, and now we will check that it has the latest version of none. Okay, so we will check here none, and now you can see this, it is downloading, it has the latest version. Now we have downloaded it today. Okay, so you can see this, it has the latest version of 0.1.0a1. I have already 0.1. Okay, so it is installed like 0.1.0a1. Okay, it is the new version which we have downloaded today here. Okay, now you can see this, now there is coming installing collected packages, none successfully installed. Okay, because it is successfully installed, so it is saying it is installed. Okay, so you can see this, you are using pip version 20.1.1, however version 20.2.3 is available. Okay, it is saying that 20.2 is available here, but you are using old version from here. So we can also define like this version is cool from this version. Okay, so this version is not really awesome for working in Python. Okay, so you can use this version 20.1.1 version. Okay, now just close it from here. Okay, now you can see this, we have defined three things here. Board, like in which our two values will come. So in board our two values will come. Then we have defined our game is still going, means your game is going or not. So our game is going, so we have written game is still going, which is true. Now you can see this, this is asking the winner, then winner is nothing because we have not defined two values in our board till today. Okay, so there is coming winner is none. Okay, so now you can see this, we have defined this all. Now we have to do like enter here again. Now we will write like tells us who the current player is. Okay, so you can see this, I have written an other comment in which I am telling like tells us who the current player is. Okay, this means that it is asking that who is the current player, means who is the player which will be started first. Okay, which will be start first over X. Okay, so we will define that what is the current player here. Okay, now so defining for current player, like first will be X, so we will define that current player equals to X. Okay, because our current player will be X here. Okay, now you can see this, I have done till this. Now you have to do like first of all save it. Now we will check it is working or not. Okay, now Python h.py here. Now you can see this, it is working, so we have to change anything from here. Okay, now just you have to do like pip install. Now we will check like current player here. Okay, current, and it will be player here. Now you can see this, there is coming error because we have already downloaded this current player and it has the only one version which we have downloaded, and it has not latest version yet. Okay, so we have to wait for its latest version current player. Okay, just close it from here. Now you can see this, we have done this all, just we have defined three things. Now we will define this commit, and now we will do like enter here, just backspace from here. Now we will define like here we will write here current, which will be player, okay, because we are defining our current player, so we will define like current player here, and now current player will be like equal and it will be like x, okay, because I have tell you the current player will be x, so we have defined there like current player will be x here, okay. You can see this. Now we have defined 4 things in our global variable. Now we will start another topic, but first of all we have to check that we have done till here, okay. You can see this board game is still going, winner and current player. Now we will start with our second section here, okay. Now second section here we will start functions, okay. Functions in our second section, like first we have defined our global variables like board, game is still going, winner, none. Then we have defined our current player. So now we will define functions. Now for defining function, first of all you have to give 2 spaces or 3 spaces. I will give 3 spaces here, okay, because it is really important to give. Now you can see this, I have written every hashtag here, okay, because we are defining comment, so we have to write this hashtag for writing any comments, okay. You can see this in first I have written, in first all I have written this hashtag, so we have to write hashtag here also, okay, because we will define here function, so we have to define it in comments, okay. So we have to write here again this hashtag. Now you can see this, I have written this hashtags. Now when you have written this all, just you have to write dash dash again, okay. You can see this, I have written till here, okay. Now when you have written this dash here, now we will do like write here functions, okay, because we are defining now functions, so we will define like functions, and now just dash dash again. You can see this. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like enter here. Now you have to do like again enter. Now you can see this, when you have done that all, just we will define our play game function, okay, because from here we will work with it, so we will define like what is play game function, okay. Now for defining that, you have to just give 2 spaces here, because spaces is also really matter in this tic-tac-toe game, so you have to take it carefully, okay. Now when you have done that, just write here def, it will be play game, then it will be like that, and it will be like this semicolon. Now you can see this, I have defined these things here, okay, these one things in my function tag. Now we will define all functions, and in the end we will also define our flip player, okay. Now when you have done that all, just first of all save it, then you have to go over here and write here like python, which will be h.py here. Now you can see this, there is coming error, okay, because till here we have not defined anything. So now when you have done that all, just write here pip again, and then it will be install, and it will be def, okay. Def means define, like I have tell you. Now it has the latest version, but I have already downloaded its latest version, like I have tell you in previous class, and I hope you remember that we have downloaded many things in our previous class, and now I am telling you about how to download these things in this class, okay. And I hope you are enjoying till here, okay. Now you can see this, we have done like pip install def. Def means define, so we have already downloaded this define, so we have to not download it again, okay. Now just close it from here. So you can see this def play game, we have downloaded def. Now we have to download our play game function, okay. Now come over here, write here pip install, which will be play game, okay, sorry, play game, then it will be brackets here, then enter. So you can see this error, we don't have to write this brackets, okay, just play game here, okay. Now we will check that is working or not, okay. So now come over here and write here like python, sorry, it will be pip install, which will be like, it will be like play game only, okay. We have to don't write these 2 brackets, because it will give syntax error here, okay. Now you can see this, there is coming again error, but it is not like previous error, because it was the syntax error. It is like you have already downloaded its latest version, so you have to don't download it again, okay. Requirement already satisfy means, like I have tell you about this many times, so I hope you all remember that also, okay. Now when you have done that, pip install play game here, now you can see that could not find a version that satisfy the requirement, because requirement already satisfy. First of all, just close it from here, okay. Now when we have defined this play game function, now you can see this, just from here you have to space backspace here, okay. Now when you have defined that all, just you have to do like save it, okay. Now we will check it is working or not, python h.py, okay. Now you can see this, there is coming error, like I have tell you, because we have not defined anything here, and we have to define many things still here, okay. Now when you have written this define play game here, now we will define here display board, okay, because we have to display our board in which we will write our values. So we have to write here display board here, okay. It is really important to write, like I have tell you. So you have to write this display board, so you can see that your board is coming or not, and it is coming correctly or it is coming incorrectly. So we have to write this display board for displaying our board here, okay. Now when you have done the display board, just first of all you have to save it, okay. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like python h.py here. Now you can see this is working correctly because we have defined our display board, and it was coming error because till here we have not defined our display board from which we can define our board from here, okay. Now when you have done that, just we have to do like come over here again, we will write here pip install which will be display board, okay. We have to also download it if it has latest version, okay. So it will work really cool and it will work really correctly and fast, okay. So now enter here. So now you can see this, it has not a latest version, it is only one version which is going really good. So we have to use this only for doing our work till end, okay. So till here I hope you understand that. There now you can see this, there is coming error could not find a version that satisfy the requirement because this requirement is already satisfied and it has the not latest version here, okay. Now you can see this, when we have done that all, just from here we have defined our display board, just close it and close this terminal also, okay, from here. Now you can see this, we have defined our play game, then we have defined our display board, and in the this global variables we have defined like current player, winner none, game is still going. Then we have defined, first of all we define our board from which we in which we have written our values, okay. So we have to define that all correctly. Now when you have done that, you can see this, we have written our display board here also. Now just enter here. Now you can see this, when we have defined display board, now underneath this display board we have to define really important thing here like while, okay. Like I have tell you, and I hope you all remember about this while tag because we have worked with it many times in our many classes, like when we were working with our while loops, then when we were working with our nested loop. I hope you all remember this while tag there, okay. So now when you have written this while tag, now we have to also define with this while tag one thing here, okay. Like here you can see this, let us know if the game is over yet. Here we have defined game is still going equal true. So here we have to also define like game is still going which will be true, okay. So we have to define our game is still going function here also, but we will not define it with true, we will define only this function, okay. So we have to define this like game is still going, okay. Only we have to write game is still going. You don't have to write this equal to and true because if you write that it will coming error here, okay. Now when you have done that all, just I hope you also remember this game is still going tag because we have worked with this tag in here, okay. And you can also write any tag you want to, but it will be like same tag you have written here, okay. So here you can write any tag you want to, but it will be same like here, okay. So I hope you understand that. Now first of all you have to save it, okay. Now come over here and write here like python which will be h.py, and now you can see error is coming, okay, because we have to write semicolon here, so there is coming invalid syntax, okay, means that it is coming syntax error, okay. Now just come over here, write here pip install. Now it will be like we have defined our while, okay. So we will write while here, okay. Now there is also a not latest version of while, so there is only one version which we have already downloaded and requirement already satisfied, so we have to work only with this version because this version is only fast for while, so we have to use it till end, okay. So now close it from here. Now we will check like game is still going from here, okay. Now just write here pip install which will be game still going here, okay, sorry going. Now here you can see that there is also coming error because it has only the one version which we have already downloaded, so it has also not really versions from which we can work fast or we can work quickly. So it has only one version here, so we have to use this only for our future works, like we will doing more codes here, so we have to use this tag there, okay. Now close it from here. Now you can see this, when you have defined that all, just you have to write semicolon, okay. Now when you have written this semicolon here, just you have to write enter and press enter again, okay. Now you can see this, when we have defined this play game, then display board, then while game is still going here, okay. Now when you have defined this all, just here we will define like, here we will define handle which will be turn, okay, because there is one code like handle turn, so we have to define this handle turn code here, okay. You can also define any code you want to, but I will define this handle turn code, okay. It is really important to define here. Now you can see this, when I have defined this code, now in the front of it we have to write two brackets here, like we have written here, then here, and we have also written like, just we have written two times here, okay, only one this and then one this and then one this, means it will be three times here, okay. Now when you have done that, just first of all save it. Now we will check that it's working or not. Python, which will be edge.py, okay, it is working really cool, so we don't have to do anything from here, okay. So now when you have done that, just another new terminal from here, write here like pip install, which will be like handle turn, okay. Now we will check that it has also not latest version, so we have already downloaded its latest version of handle turn and its requirement already satisfies here, so we don't have to download it again here, okay. Now you can see this, when you have done that all, just you have to do like, first of all close it, okay, close this. Now in this handle turn we have to define like our current player, okay, like we have defined our current player here, but it is with x, means current player, current underscore player, then it is like equal to, then it is x. But now in this bracket we will only define our current player, which will not will x, it will only this current player, okay. Now you can see this, when you have defined this handle turn, then in this bracket you have to define like current, which will be player here, okay. You can see this current, which will be player, because in handle turn we have defined our current player, so we have to define this current player in our handle turn parentheses, okay. So now you can see this, when you have defined this current player from here, okay. Now we have to do like, first of all, just when you have done that all, now we have defined many things here like handle turn, then we have defined while game is still going, then we have also defined our display board here, then we have also defined like play game, because we have to define these all things here, from which we can check that our game is going and it is looking really perfect, or it is going really perfectly. So we have to check this many times here, so we have to use these all tags here, okay. Now first of all just save it, okay. Now we will check it is working or not, okay. Just Python, which will be edge.py here, okay. Now you can see this is working correctly, so we don't have to change anything from here, okay. Now just come over here, right here pip install, which will be, now it will be like current player, okay, because we have defined and we have downloaded like handle turn and we have all downloaded many things, so just one thing is left, which is current player, so we have to also download it, okay. So it has also not latest version, we have already downloaded it, so there is not its version of it, so we have to only work with this version here, okay. Now when you have done that all, okay, just you have to close it, okay. Now when you have closed it also, now from here you can see this while game is still going, which is handle turn, which now is current player, okay. Now if you press enter again, now you can see this, we have defined four things in our functions tag, okay. Now from here we will define like check if game over, okay. Check if game over means that it will check your game is over or it is working yet, okay. Our game is working yet, so we will only write check if game over, so it will be defining like your game is working or not, so we have to write this check if game over, because it is really important to write from here, okay. Now write here like check, okay, it will be like if, now it will be like check if game over, okay. Now you can see this, we have defined this tag check if game over. Now we have to just write brackets here, okay, because we have to define this check if game over again, okay. So you can see this, we have to define this in and also, okay. So this is really important to write here. Now you can see this def play game, display board, while game is still going, then handle turn and current player, then check if game over. We have defined many things here. Now just you have to save it. Now we will check it is working or not, or it is working correctly, okay. So now you can see this, yeah, it is working correctly, because there is not any syntax error or any error from which we can set that it is not working good, okay. So now you have to just close it, okay. You can see this, we have done and we have closed it. Now we have to do like, you have to install it like pip install, which will be check if game over, okay. You can see this, we have defined this all, just press enter, okay. So now there is also not latest version of check if game over, so we have to only work with this version, and we will use this in end also. Okay, so we have to work only with this. Now just close it from here. Okay, now you can see this, we have defined many things like def play game, display board, while game is still going, handle turn, in which we have defined current player also. Then we have also defined our check if game over. Okay, now you have to write like, now we will define our flip player. Like I have tell you in first, we will also define flip player at end, but it is not the end function. We will also define it in the end, but now we will also define it in functions text. So we have to define it again. Okay, now you have to write here like flip player, like I have tell you flip player, then you have to write two parentheses. Okay, now you can see this, two brackets are here, or you can also say that parentheses here. Okay, now you can see this, from check give game over, check if game over, we have defined flip player. Okay, like here we have defined current player, so we have to define here flip player. Okay, so flip player means that another player which will be O. Okay, so we have to define this flip player. Then now we will define that if winner means who is the winner, then who will be the winner, then who will be the loser. Okay, so we have to define these all things here. Okay, now first of all just save it. Okay, we will check that it's working or not. Okay, come over here and write here like python, which will be h.py. Okay, it is working, yes. Okay, now first of all just close it. Now we will check our flip player which it has the latest version or not. Just pip install. Now it will be like flip player. Okay, because we have defining this flip player, so we have to define this flip player. Now just you have to press enter, because we have defined our flip player, and now we have to download it. Okay, it has error because we have already downloaded, and it is coming error from versions none, and it has not matching distribution found for flip player. Okay, it has one version which we have already downloaded, like I have tell you, and it has not satisfy any requirement here, means it is satisfy but only for one version. Okay, now just you have to, like you can also do like full screen if you want to from terminal, or normal you can also do like full screen normal. Okay, now just close it, sorry, just close this, and now close this terminal. Okay, now you can see this, we have defined many things and we have closed our terminals here. Okay, now we have to do like, when you have defined this flip player, now underneath this flip player we have to also define like who is the winner and who will be the winner, and then who will be the loser here. Okay, now for defining that you have to do like enter, and now backspace from here, and now you have to do like right here if winner, and then it will be like equal, then it will be x, and it will be like or winner, then it will be like equal, and it will be like O here. Okay, now you can see this, we have defined these things here. Now you have to do like just write like that here. Now you have to do like just write here print, which will be in bracket, it will be winner. Okay, because we are defining winner, then plus sign, it will be like parentheses here. Okay, means strings. Now won here, and then we have to write full stop. Okay, because we will define winner or won. Okay, now when you have done that all, just enter here again. Now backspace from here, write here elif, which will be winner, and then it will be equal, and it will be none. Okay, now just write like that, write here like print, which will be like, now it will be like tie. Okay, because we are defining this tie. Now you can see this, we have defined these all things here. Now we will check like one thing from here. Okay, now first of all just you have to do like, just I am taking this file from here. Okay, now you can see this here. Okay, I have already defined these things here also. Okay, now you can see this, just go to this file from here. Okay, now you can see, just write equal to again here. Okay, so now you can see this, we have defined these things from here. Okay, and now I hope you also understand that how to define this text from here. Okay, now when you have done that, just you have to do like save it. Okay, now just come over here, write here python, which will be h.py. Okay, now you can see this, it is working and it has not error till here. Okay, now close it. Now just come over here and write here like pip install, which will be if. Okay, so we will check it is working or not. It has not the latest version that satisfy the requirement if, so it has only one version which a requirement has already satisfied, no matching distribution found for if. Okay, so now you have to close from terminal. Okay, now come over here and write here like pip install. Now it will be like winner. Okay, now you can see this, it has also not really latest version, we have to work only with one version, and till end we have to use this only. Okay, Now you can see this. When we have done that all, just close it. Now just we will define many things here also, okay, like we have defined our flip player, then we have defined our like handle turn, then we have defined current player in it, then while game is still going, display board, then def play game, and we have also defined our current player, winner, none, game is still going, and board here, okay. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like you have to just press enter here, okay. Now when you have press enter again, now here you have to do like just you have to write here like here will be now just it will be like position, okay, position, which will be like not it will be not position, okay, it will be like def, which will be handle turn again, okay, like I have tell you we have also defined this handle turn here, and we have also defined this handle turn here, okay. So like I have tell you we have defined our handle turn, then when you have defined this handle turn second time, now we have to write another brackets here, okay, because we are defining our handle turn second time, but in this brackets we will not write like current player, we will write another thing which will be only player, okay, because we have to define player here, and in this play game we will also define like player and many things, so we have to define this player tag there also, okay. It is really important to define, so you have to define this. Just come over here, and now you have to do like when you have done that all, just print handle turn. Now you have to write here like player, okay. Now you can see this def handle turn, which is player, okay, because we have defined player in this bracket. So when you have written this def handle turn, which is player, now you have to write like this sign here, and now come over here, and now here you have to do like just write over here like it will be again, now it will be not like handle done, or it will be player, or we will not define our handle done or player here. Now when you have done that all, if winner or winner, and then print, and then elif winner or print tie. Now we will do like just come over here and write here like valid, which will be false, okay. Now we will define our these things here, okay. Now you can see this. Now when you have defined these all things, now we will do like just come over it, and now you have to press enter here, okay. Now when you have done that all, just come over here, and now here you have to define like def, which will be display board, okay. You can see this, we have defined our display board, okay. Now it will say that like if you define your display board, now in display board we have to define many things here like enter here, and now you will write like print, which will be this bracket, and it will be like /n, okay. Now it will be like print, which will be board, and in this board there will be square bracket in which we will write 0 here, okay. Now it will be like there will be 1 equal to, then it will be like board, which will be 1, okay. You can see this, it was 1, now equal to again, now there will be like equal to, and now it will be like board, okay. No, it will be not equal to, okay. Now you can see this, when you have done that, just plus sign here, it will be like that, it will be like that. Now you can see this, when you have done that all, just plus sign again like that, you have to write another vertical bar. Then when you have written another vertical bar, just from here you have to write addition sign again, which will be like board, and it will be like 2, and then it will be like plus, and it will be like 1, sorry, it will be 1, then it will be like 2, and it will be 3, okay. Now when we have defined these all things, you can see this, we have defined this all, just you have to press enter from here, okay. Now when you have done that all, just we will do like print here again, which will be board. Now we have defined 0 1 2 here, now we will define 3 4 5 here, okay. We have to define 3 things here. Now just write like that, and just write this vertical bar, then here we have to write another board, okay, because we are defining this board, and then plus, then vertical bar again, okay. Now you can see this, we have defined many things here. Now just plus sign again, which will be board, and now it will be like 5, okay, plus, which will be like that, it will be 4 5 and 6 here, okay. Now just a space from here, okay, one space, and one space from here, okay. Now you can see this, till here we have done. Now come over here and write here again, which will be print, and now it will be board again, in which board we will write like it will be 6, because we have defined 3 4 5, and now we have to define 6 7 and 8, because we are defining 3 columns here, okay. Now just plus, and then vertical bar, then plus, in board we will write like 5, then we will write, we will write 7 here. Okay, now just write vertical bar, then plus sign again, which will be board. Then now when you have defined it all, it will be 8. Now we will define 3 things. We have not defined here 9, because now 9 we have to define here. Okay, like here we have to define our 9. Okay, now when you have done that all, just you have to do like, when you have done that, now underneath that we have to write print, which is like /n. Okay, \n, like here we have written \n, so here also we have to write \n. Okay, now when you have done that all, you can see this, we have defined our this value def display board, which is print, and then it is print board, then it is a square bracket, which is board 1 and board 2. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now we have done that all. Just from here you have to do like, just come over here, and now here you have to do like, right here print value. Okay, it will be print value. Now in this print value we have to do like, just you have to write here position. Okay, first of all here you have to write player. Okay, then it will be plus like position here. Okay, now you can see we have written that all. Just you have to erase it, and in this we have to write another string, which will be 1 only. Okay, now s, which will be turn. Okay, because we have to also define this as turn here. Okay, now when you have done that all, just you can see this, we have done. Now come over on the file, and just you have to save your work. Okay, you have done, just save it. Now come over here on your terminal. Now you have to run your work. Okay, write here python, which will be h.py, it is our file name. Okay, so we will write here like this. Now when you have pressed enter, so you can see this, our work is working really good, and we are doing our work quickly, and it is looking really cool. Okay, because our work is not incorrect, because there is not coming any error. Okay, like syntax error or any error from which our work will be not good. Okay, so now just close it from here. Now we have to do like, just we have to install this player and s-turn from here. Now save it. Now we will check that it has the latest version or not. Come over here, right here like pip install. Now it will be like s-turn. Okay, s-turn here. Now enter here, so you can see this, there is not any error, and there is error because it has one version which we have already downloaded. Okay, so there is not latest version of their s-turn. Okay, now just close it from here. Now come over here again into the terminal, right here like python, which will be like, it will be not python, it will be pip. Okay, pip install, which will be like, now we will check that what is it, player. Okay, so now we will write here player. Now write here player, press enter. So you can see this, it has the latest version which python downloading. So you can see this, it has downloaded the player. So now you can see, okay, it has many versions and many things related to it, so it is downloaded now. Okay, you can see this, successfully installed Jinja 2-2. Okay, it is a player, it is player. Okay, these all things are player versions, it has the player versions. Okay, so now you can see this, we have done that all, and now you can also see there is an again warning coming. Okay, so now just close it from here. Now we will start. Okay, so now you can see this, we have done till here. Okay, we also write this, but then we write this print player plus s-turn. Okay, now when you have done that all, just come over here on the valid false here. Now press enter. Now here you have to do like, right here like while not valid here. Okay, so now when you have written this while not valid, you can see here we have written valid false, and now here we have written while not valid. Now here you can see this not tag, we have worked with it many times, like I have told you about it in when we are doing while loops, then when we are doing nested loops, we learn about it many times. Okay, I hope you remember, and we also learn about this while. Okay, and I hope you all remember that all work. Okay, so now you can see this, we have to also install this not. Okay, so save it. Now come over here and write here like, open terminal again, write here pip install. Now it will be like, now it will be not. Okay, so now press enter. So you can see this, it has the latest version which python is downloading. So you can see this, it already downloaded here, so there is not a latest version for it. Okay, so now you can see this, it has downloaded, you can see. Now when you have done that all, just close it. Okay, close it from here. Now you have to do like, come over here and write 2 semicolon here. Okay, so you can see this, we have written 2 semicolon. Now just you have to do like, press enter here again. Now here you have to do like, right here like write here, just backspace from here and write here while not in, okay, not in, just write here while position not in, okay. Just you have to do like that. When you have done that all, okay, you can see we have done while position not in till here. Now just square bracket here, just you have to write 2 strings, and now here you have to write 1, okay. So now when you have done that all, just you have to do like, now just you have to write comma here, okay, because we have to define many numbers here. Till 9 we have to define numbers, okay, not we have to define 10, okay. So you have to remember that things here. Now you have to do like, just write here semicolon here 2, then again write like that 3, then again write, it will be like 4, okay. So now it will be 5, now it will be like 6, like I have tell you we have to define 9 numbers here, okay. So now 7, and now it will be like 8, okay. So now it will be now 9, okay. So you can see this, we have defined our numbers till 9. Now you have to do like, just write here semicolon again. Now when you have done that all, just now underneath that while position not in, you have to write again position, okay, because we are defining that, okay. So now we have to write this not position, then equal to input, okay, it will be input, and then in input we have to write here choose a position from 1 till 9, okay, because we have written the number 1 till 9, so the user can choose a position 1 to 9, okay. So here if he choose like 10, so it will be error coming, okay, because there is not 10, it is still 9 here, okay. Now you have to save it, okay. First of all save it. Now come over here and now we will run it, okay. Just come over here, write Python, okay, write here Python, which will be like h.py again. So you can see this, it is working, okay. So now close it. Now we will check that while not in and position here, okay. Now come over here and write here like pip install, which will be like position here, okay. Now press enter. So you can see this, there is error because we have already downloaded and it has only one version here. Now come over here again on the terminal and write here like pip install, which will be in now. So now you can see this, there is also coming error because it has already one version which we have already downloaded here. Now close it from here. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like, come over here again, write here pip install. Now it will be input, okay, because we have also defined input with our position tag. Now press enter here. So now you can see this, it has the release version, but requirement already satisfied and we have already downloaded it, okay. So now close it from here, okay. Till here we have worked it. Now when you have done that all, just come over here, and now here you have to write like if board, okay, because we have to define our board again here, okay. So underneath while position not in and position input, choose a position from 1 till 9, here we have to define our if board here, okay, because we are defining our board in the first here. You can see this, here we also define our board tag in which we have written our dashes here. You can see this, it is a board in which our user will write its choice, okay. It's like he will write like it's 2 tags like X or O, okay. So he have to write that. Now come over here. Now when you have done that all, just if board, and now we have to write square brackets here, okay, because we have to define these all things. So in this we have to define our square tag. Now when you have done that, just in this square tag we have to write like position, okay, because we are defining position here. Like I have tell you, we have to define these all things in this tag, in this square, but we just write here position because in position these all things will already are coming, okay, because in all these we are defining position. You can see this while position not in, position equal input, okay. So I hope you understand. Now when you have done that, just here you have to write position like I have tell you. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like, first of all save it, okay. So now come over here and write here like Python, which will be h.py, okay. It is coming error because we have to also define many things in front of it, okay. So come over here and write here like pip install. First of all we will write if here. So you can see this, it is also coming error because it is already one version which we have already downloaded here, okay. So now there is not a latest version of if. So now when you have done that all, just close it. Now come over here and write here like pip install, it will be boat now, okay. So now just come over here and now you can see this requirement already satisfy again here, okay. So now you can see we have done that all. Just come over here and now when you have written this if board position, with this not in. Okay, so now we have to define here like equal again. Okay, we are defining this equal because it is really important to define. From this it can remember, because if board position we have written, so now in the front of it we have to write like this tag. Okay, because like you can remember when we were written this board tag, so in here we have written this dashes. Okay, so now with the help of this tag we are defining this only one dash, because we have already defined many dashes up in the up, so we have to define this only one, so it can Python will understand that we are defining this board with this position tag. Okay, so now I hope you understand. Now when you have done that all, okay, just come over here, write here semicolon. Okay, now semicolon is also written, just come over here, and now here you have to write like valid. Okay, valid will be true. Okay, because we are defining our valid tag here. Now the valid will be true, then you have to do like come over here and now backspace, then it will be else here. Now when you have written this else, just come over here again. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like write here print tag. Okay, because in print tag we have to define things like, in here we have to write like you can't, like I will tell you, you can't go there again. Okay, we are defining that because you can't go there again, because if user choose one position here, like one it choose, so if in another turn he have to go in one, so it can't go because he have already chosen one in the first. Okay, so he can't go in second in one. Okay, so he have to only choose one position here. If he choose one, so it will choosing one or two, it cannot choose any position two times here or three times. Okay, so he have to choose it only one time here. Now you can see this, when you have defined this print you can't go there, just come over here. Okay, now when you have done that, just you can see this, we have done till here. Now here we have also done, so you can see this. Now come on the up, and now here you can see this all, just you have to do like come over here. Okay, now come over here again. Now here we have to write like, when you have defined this all, just come over here again and now press enter. Okay, in the end of this while position not in and in the position. Now when you have done that, just come in the while, means that come in W stack. Now here when you have done that, just here you have to write like position, and here you have to write dash, which will be init. Okay, and in init we have to write another position, which will be like -1. Okay, so now you can see this, we have defined here position, init position, which will be -1 here. Okay, so you can see this, I hope you understand that, because in here we have to define position two times, because here we have also defined our position two times, in while position not in, and in position here we have defined our two times in position. Okay, so you can see this, here we have also defined our position tag. Now here when you have done that, just come over here again, now save it. Now we will check it is working or not. Okay, write here Python, which will be h.py. Okay, it is working. Okay, not error coming. So now come over here, and now here you have to write like pip install. Now it will be like, it will be now like init. Okay, so now come over here, requirement already satisfy a minute. Okay, so now close it. Now when you have done that, just you have to do like come over here again, and now just close it. Now when you have done that all, just come over here and write here like play game. Okay, write here play game tag, which will be like that. Okay, so now just save it from here. Okay, come over here and now write here Python, which will be like h.py. Come over here. Okay, so you can see this, we have not defined any handle or current player, so we have to define this all in here. Okay, so now you can see this, when you have defined that all. Okay, so now when we have defined these things here, so now here we have to define like come over here, and now here you have to write like display, which will be board. Okay, we will also define that again. Okay, because we are defining when this display board, so in the up we are defining this if board with position, so we have to define this display board tag again. Now when you have defined this display board, now here you have to do like just save it first of all. Okay, now when you have saved it, come over here, write here like Python, which will be h.py. Okay, so you can see this, it is running but giving error again. Okay, because handle turn is not defined here. Okay, close it. Now come over here, and now you have to do like, first of all erase this play game from here. Now just come over here, and now you can see we have done till here. Okay, so now when you have done that, just you have to do like, come over here, and now here you can see this, we have done till our display board. Okay, so now when you have done till here, so now here you have to do like, come over here, and now in here you have to do, just come over here and write here like, first of all write here like position. Okay, position, and equal to, you have to write like player. Okay, so now come over here and write here like position again. Okay, it will be plus with player. Now you can see this, till here we have defined these all things. Okay, now when you have done that, just you have to do like, just come over here again, and now here you have to write like board. Now it will be like position, and now it will be like player. Okay, so now till here we have defined these all things. Okay, you can see this, we have defined these all here. Now when you have done that, just you have to do like, come over here, and now here you have to do like, you can see this, we have done till here. Now board, when it will be position. Okay, just closed and then just broke it. Now come over here and just write here equal, which will be player. Now just break this. Okay, just break this tag from here. Now you can see this, till here we have done, just save it. Okay, now come over here, write here python, which will be h.py here. Now you can see this, it is running, and it is running really cool. Okay, our work is doing really good. Now come over here and write here like python. Now it will be like h.py again. Yes, now just over here come and write pip install. Now it will be like player. Okay, so now you can see requirement already satisfied here, just close it. Now till here we have done that all. Just come over here and write here pip install, which will be display board. Okay, and now here just press enter. Now you can see this, we have done. Just come over here and write here like check. Just come over here and write here def check if game over. Okay, like in the top we have written, just write here just two strings. Okay, now you can see this, we have written def check if game over. Okay, because we have also defined these all things here also. Now when you have done this def check if game is over, now here you have to write semicolon. Okay, because we have to define many things in the underneath of it. Okay, so now come over here and define here like check for winner. Okay, because we are also defining that in the up. So now just come over here, and now here you have to define like check for tie. Okay, so now when you have done that all, just come over here and write here like def, which will be like backspace from here. Okay, so now you can see this, we have done just backspace from here also, just one space from here. Okay, so now just you have seen we have done till here. Now here you have to define like, here we will write again def check for winner. Okay, because we are defining in the up, so we have to also define here also, because here we are also defining many things about our check for winner. Okay, so we have to define its many things in the above and in this tag here. So you can see this def check for winner, and now here you have to write these two, and now come over here and write here like global winner. Okay, because we are defining our global winner here. Now when you have done that and define our global winner, just press enter here again, and now here you have to define like, here we will define def, you have to define check, you have to define row winner. Okay, and it will be like check rows. Okay, because we are defining our rows also here. Okay, so now just like that, and now come over here, write here column winner. Okay, and write here like check columns. Okay, you can see this, we have defined our check columns here also. Now when you have done this, just here come over here, write here diagonal, just close it. Now write here diagonal winner. Okay, and it will be like check diagonals. Okay, because we have to define these things also. Now when you have done till here, just come over here and define here like def, and here you have to define like check, if game over. Okay, so now define like that, and you have to write here def. Okay, so now you have to write like that, and now when you have done that all, just till here we have done. Now first of all save it. Now come over here. Okay, so now run with it like Python, which will be h.py. Okay, it is running really cool. Okay, you can see this. Till here we have done. Now when you have done that, we have to also see with this global tag. Okay, so now when you have done this, just come over here and write here like pip install, which will be global. Okay, because we are defining this here. Okay, so now enter here. So now you can see this, it is downloading here. So you can see this setup downloaded of global. So now close it from here. Okay, and again write global. Okay, erase it, and now write here global again. Okay, so now when you have done that, just you can see this, till here we have done. Okay, like I show you, till here we have done these all things. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like come over here, and now here press enter again, and now here you have to define like row winner. Okay, so now write here row winner and write here like that, and now come over here, and just here you have to define like def, which will be row winner, and now it will be like row winner equal to check rows here. Okay, so now just erase it from here. Okay, till diagonal. So now here you can see this player is also defined, and here diagonals. Now just you have to do, first of all save it. Okay, now come over here and write here Python, which we will define like h.py. Yes, now close it. Now just write here like pip install, which will be winner now. Okay, so now write here winner. So now you can see this working. Okay, so now close. Now you have to do like till here, just come over here and write here row. Just write here if row winner. Okay, write here if row winner, and now write here like row winner equal to row winner. Okay, so now write here elif column winner. Okay, write here elif column winner, which will be column winner equal to check, which will be equal to column winner. Okay, so now you can see this, we have defined till here equal to column here, and write here again elif, which will be now diagonal winner. Okay, so now write here diagonal winner, and write here like which will be diagonal, and now it will be like diagonal winner. Okay, so now just come over here and write here like diagonal, and now it will be like close it. First of all just come over here and write here like, just write here diagonal winner again, and it will be like equal to diagonal winner. Okay, now till here we have defined these all things. Okay, now I hope you have remembered, and now you have understand it also. Now when you have done this till here, now here you can see this, we have done till here if row winner and elif column winner. Okay, so now when you have done that, so now you have to do like, just here you have to define like if row 1, and it will be like row winner equal to row winner. Okay, like this. Okay, so now you can see this, come over here, write here elif, which will be column winner, and now it will be like column winner equal to column winner. Okay, like this you have defined. Now just diagonal also we have also do like that, diagonal, just first of all write elif. Okay, because we are defining that elif diagonal winner, and you have to define like diagonal winner equal diagonal winner here. Okay, and come over here, write here like else, it will be like winner will be none. Okay, so now you can see this, till here we have defined these. Just you have to first of all save it. Okay, come over here Python, which will be now h.py, running good. Okay, so you can see this, it is running really cool. Now when you have done that, just you have to do like come over here and write here like def check rows, okay, because we have to define rows here. Now come over here and write here row 1, which will be equal to like board, and now it will be like 0 equal board, which will be now 1, okay. So now you can see this equal which will be board 2, okay, because now you can see this we have defined our board here also with 0, 1 and 2. Now here you have to do like write here this tag here, and now here you have to define like that and equal, okay, right here equal and like that you have to define this. Now when you have done that, just come over here and write here row 2, and now it will be like board, and it will be like 3, okay, 3, and now 3 it will be 4, okay. So now you have seen we have defined 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here we have to define 5 also, okay, and come over here equal which will be like that. Now come over here again, write here row equal 3 equal, and it will be like board which will be 6, and it will be like 7 now here, and now it will be like board, it will be board which will be 8, okay. So now come over here and write here like this tag, and now when you have done that, just you have to do like write here game still going equal to false, okay, because we are defining this. So now when you have done this game is still going, just come over here and write here like row winner, just if you have to write if row 1, and you have to write like that return board, okay, write here return board, okay, and now in this return board we have to define 0, and now just come over here write here elif which will be row 2, and now it will be return which will be board, and it will be 1, okay. So now you can see this still here we have defined, just come over here write here elif which will be row 3 here, and now it will be like return which will be board 2 here, okay, and just write 3 and here 6, okay, and here we have to write dot in the front. Now till here we have defined, just come over here write here else which will be return and none, okay. So you can see this we have defined check rows and our winner, okay. So now check for winner is also defined and our global winner is also defined. Save it, come over here and write here python which will be h.py here, okay. So now it is running but it is coming error, okay. So now we will check this. Now close it first of all, okay. So now till here we have done, just you can see here we have done that all. Now you have to do like first of all just come here, and now here you can see this if row or row 2 here, and now here when you have done that, just you have to do like come over here, and now you have to define here like if row winner, okay. So now we will define here if just 1 and just 1 here 1 equal to. So now here we will define like if row 1 or row 2 or row 3, okay, because we are defining 3 rows here, so we have to define row 3, just backspace from here, okay. Now enter here, and now you have to press enter here also, okay. So now you have defined these elif row 3 till here, okay. So now when you have done that, just here you have to do like come over here and write here like if, just write here if which will be row winner, okay. Now come over here and write here like winner equal row winner, okay. So now come over here write here elif which is column winner, okay, and now it will be like winner equal to column winner, okay. So now come over here write here elif which will be now diagonal winner, okay. Now when you have done this diagonal winner, and now it will be like winner which will be equal to like diagonal winner, okay, because we are defining 3 things here, okay. Now you can see this till here we have defined, just come over here write here else it will be winner and equal to none, okay. So now you can see this we have defined these things here, and now when you have done that, just come over here, and now here you have to define like just write here def which will be check columns, okay, and now come over here write like that, and now till here we have defined these things, okay, and now it all are correct. Now we will check, just come over here, save it, python which will be h.py, okay. Now error is coming here also, okay. So now here first of all just you have to do like when we have defined these things here, okay, you can see this here we have defined these things. Now else return which will be none, okay. So now when you have done this, just here you have to define these things like elif and if, which we have defined, okay. So now and check column is also have to define we, okay. So we have to also define our check column, okay, like we have defined check for winner and check for rows, okay. So here we have to define like first of all global which will be game still going, okay. Now till here we have defined these things. Now come over here in the front of it, and now here you have to write global game is still going, okay, like here we have written. And now come over here and write here like column which will be 1, and now it will be like equal to board, okay, and it will be 0. Now when you have done that, just now here board will be like, just board will be now like 2, okay, and now equal to it will be 4, okay. So now just when you have done this 2 and 4, now just you have to do like just write like that and equal and just like that. Now come over here, write here column 2 here, and now here we have to define board again. Now it will be like 1, okay, because we are defining this, and now it will be like 7, okay. So now here you have to write 6, and now here we have to define like board, it will be now like 5 here, okay. So now we have defined these things here. Come over here like that and write like that. Now when you have defined these things, write here like column which will be like winner, sorry, it will be 3. So now it will be like board, and now it will be like 2, okay, and now it will be like 8, and it will be like 6, okay. So now you can see this we have defined. So now here you have to do like you have to define these things here 1, 2, 8 and 6 in the front of it. So now write here like that, and now come over here and write here like if column 1 or column 2 or column 3, okay, because we are defining these things here if column 2 or column 3, okay. So now when you have defined these if column 2 and column 3, just first of all save it from here. Now come over here and write here Python which will be now column, okay. Now come over here write like that, yes it is working, just close. Now come over here write here Python which will be h.py again, okay, it is working, no, okay. So we have to change that. So now when you have done that, just write here like that, write here game is still going which will be false, okay. So now write here again like if column 1, it will be like return which is board, okay. So now it will be 0, and now it will be like elif which is column, and now it will be like 2, and it will be like return which is board, okay. So now write here 1, and now here write like elif column again which will be now like 3, and it will be like return board which will be now 2, okay. So now till here we have defined, okay. So now you can see this 0, 1, 2 here, and now here we will define 3 which will be 4, and it will be 5, okay. And now it will be like when you have defined this 3, 6, 7 and 8, okay. So you can see this we have defined things here like that. Now when you have done that, just come over here and write here like else which will be like return, and it will be none, okay. So you can see this till here check columns, check rows and check for winner is defined, okay. So now you can see we have defined these things till here, okay, and now we have also defined our check for column here, okay. Now you can see this it is 0, 3, 6 and 0, 1, 4, 7 here, okay. Like this we have defined our check for columns and check for rows here, okay. You can see this. So now till here we have defined these things. Now we have to define like that, okay. So now here we have to define 0, 3, and now here you have done till here. Now come over here 0, 3, 6 which is 1, 4 and 7 and 2, 5 and 8, okay. We have defined these correctly. Now come over here, and now we have defined def check columns and rows. So now in the end, and now it is not the last one, we have also defined many things, but we have to define def check which is diagonals, okay, because we have not defined it. Now just come over here and write here like def, it will be check and it will be diagonals, okay, because we are defining that diagonals, and now it will be like that. Come over here and now it will be diagonal only, okay. So now come over here and write here like just write here like that, and now come over here, write here global, which is game still going, okay. Now when you have done that, just write here column, which is 1, and now it will be like, it will be not column, it will be diagonal, okay. So now it will be winner, okay. Now it will be like, it will be now like board, which is 0, and now here it will be 1, okay, because we are defining one diagonal. Now come over here and write 2 equal to, which will be board, and here it will be 1, and now when you have defined these 1 and now equal, which will be now board 2, okay. So now here we have to define 4, okay. So now when you have defined these 4, now come over here and define 6 here. Now here we have to define diagonal 2. So first of all just come over here, equal, which will be dash here. Now write here diagonal, okay, diagonal, which will be 2 here, and now it will be equal to like board, and now it will be like 1, okay. So now just like that board, which will be like 5 and 7, but now come over here and write here like board, now it will be like 8, okay. So now you can see this, till here we have defined many things. Just come over here, equal, which is like this dash. Now we have to define only 2 diagonals here, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, okay. So now till here we have defined these things. Now come over here and write here if diagonal 1 or diagonal 2, and now here like that write here game still going, which is false, okay. Now come over here, write like that, and now here you have to define like if diagonal 1, and now write here like return, which is board, it will be like 0, and now here you have to define elif diagonal, which will be 2, and now here you have to define like return board, okay. And now here we will define 6, okay. Till here we have done these things, okay. You can see this, till here we have done that all. Now when you have done this, first of all just save it, okay. Now here we have to define another thing, like we have to define else, which will be return, and it will be none, okay. So now you can see this, we have defined these all. First of all save it, come over here, write here python, which will be h.py, okay. So you can see this, it is running really good, okay. So now you can see we have done these things, def check diagonals, def check columns, and def check rows, and def check for winner, okay. Now till here we have defined these things. Now you have to do like, when you have done that all, okay, you can see this, we have done these things, diagonals also is defined, okay. So now when you have done that 4 8 and now 2 4 6, okay. So now here we have defined these things here, you can see. So now till here we have defined also many things, okay. So now you have to do like, just you have to come over here and write here like 4, and now it will be like, it is correct. Now come over here and write here like def, and now it will be check for tie, okay, because we have defined 3 things here, and now here we have to define 2 things only in the last, just flip player, and now here we are defining check for winner, okay. So now write here like def check for tie, and now just close it. Now def check for tie, and now it will be like global, and now it will be global, game is still going, and now it will be like if board, and now it will be like if board in, just write like that, and now come over here and now write here if board position in, okay, write like that, and now come over here and now write here like valid, and it will be true, and now write here like return, which is true, and now write here like else, which is return, and it is false, okay. Till here we have defined these things, okay. You can see this, we have defined check for tie with our global game is still going, and if board position in with this, and now you have to do like, just you can see we have defined these things here, and now here you first of all save it, okay. save your work, and now just full screen. Now come over here and write here python h.py here. Okay, it is running, just close it. Now come over here and write here like pip install, it will be board. Okay, so now it will be board here, just press enter. So you can see this requirement already satisfy, close it. Come over here, write here like board, again write here pip install, which is board, yes, working. So now close it. Now you can see this, till here we have defined our things. Check for tie is also defined, and now you can see this if not in board. Okay, so till here we have defined our things. Now here when you have done that all, just you have to do like come over here, and now just you have to do like first of all just erase it, and now here you have to write like if not in, and here you have to define like board. Okay, so now when you have done that, just here you have to define like that, and now come over here, write here game still going, which is false here. Okay, and now it will be like return, which is true. Okay, and now else, which is like that. Now here we have defined these things. Now you can see this, first of all save it from here. Okay, now we will check it is working or not. Python, which is h.py. Okay, so now it is working. Okay, so now come over here. So now when you have done this till here, okay, so now you can see we have defined this all thing. Def check for diagonals and check for columns. Okay, now you can see 4 8, and now here we have to define 6, and now again you have to define 4 here. Okay, so now till here we have done, and now define 2 here. Okay, so now just also define here 2. Okay, so now till here we have done. Okay, you can see this 0 4 and 8 is defined, and 2 4 is 6 is also defined. Now when you have done that, just you have to do like just close it, and now just you have to do like if in board. Okay, so now you can see this, just save it. Okay, now come over here and write here python, which is like h.py. Okay, so now you can see this, it is running goodly. Okay, so now when you have done that, just you can see this if not in board. Okay, so now if not in board here, if, and now here you have to define if not in board, and now game is still going, which is return and true. Okay, so now here which is return and true, and it is return false. Okay, so now here we have defined these things. Okay, now you can see this global game is also defined here. Okay, now till here we have defined here many things here. Okay, now here when you have done that all, just come over here, and now you can see this in the end when we have defined these all things here. First of all save it. Okay, now come over here and write here python, and now which will be h.py here. Okay, so now you can see this, it is running. Okay, now come over here and now write here like def, which will be now flip player. Okay, okay, now it will be like that, and now we will define like that, and now here it will be like global, which will be now like current player. Okay, because we are defining here our current player, so here will be current player, and now here we have to define our like if, which will be current player. Okay, and now it will be equal to x. Okay, because first we will define x, and now come over here and write here current, which will be player. Okay, again, and now it will be like o. Okay, current player, which will be like that o, and now just write like that again, and now it will be like elif, which will be current player. Okay, and now it will be just close this. Okay, so now it will be like equal, and now it will be o. Okay, so now write like that again, write here current player again, now it will be like x here. Okay, so now you can see this, till here we have defined these things, and now here we have defined these all things. Okay, you can see now when you have done that all, just you have to do like enter here and write here play game, which will be like that. Okay, so now when you have done these things, just you have to first of all save it. Okay, come over here, write here python. Okay, write here python, which will be h.py here. Okay, so now you can see this line 26 is not defined. Okay, current player, so we have to define its current player. Okay, so now you have to define like def current player. Okay, so now write here like on to the line 26. Okay, so now in line 26 we have defined our current player. So now just come over here and write like that, and now you can see this, there is our comments here. So now we have to take our comments here also. Okay, so now here you can see this, there are our comments. Okay, you can see now we will also copied our comments here. Okay, so now like that. Okay, we have to copied our comments. Okay, so now when you have done that, just first of all copy, and now here you can see this, we have done these things here, and now it is done. Okay, till here we have defined our things. Now you have to do like just first of all paste it. Okay, you can see now when I paste it, so it all comments come. Okay, you can see play game, then start execution, and flip player, current player. Okay, but the words we write, it is clean. Okay, if you don't write comments, so it will be also good, but I write comments for you so you can understand that what is a code and what is another code. Okay, so you have to write comments like that. Okay, you can see this, first of all just save it. Okay, now when we have defined these things and these comments here, okay, you can see this, we have defined these all comments and these all things here. Okay, now you have to do like come over here and write Python. Okay, and it will be h.py. Okay, so you can see this, it is running and it is asking that it is the x turns. Okay, because now it was the last and we have done that. Okay, and we have completed our tic-tac-toe game. Okay, like I defined many things here, check for winner, then check rows, then check columns, then we have also defined like check diagonals, then we have defined like check for tie, then we have also defined def flip player in the end. And I hope you understand these all things, and I hope you will all enjoy these things, and I hope you all enjoyed these tic-tac-toe game making. Okay, now we will check that it is working correctly or not. Okay, so now Python h.py. Okay, so now here you have to play this game, like you have to define position, like we have written our position here like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so now write here 1. Okay, so it will be our x will be in the 1 position. Okay, right here, so you can see this, our x is in 1. Then if you write 2, because it is O stand, so O will be in 2. Okay, so you can see this, O is in 2. Okay, so now write 3, so x will be in 3. Okay, so now if you write 4, so 4 will be like here. Okay, in the corner 4 will be. So now you can see if you write 5, so it will be in center, then 6 it will be corner, then 7 it will be like that. So you can see this x1 like x and x here, so it ones. Okay, so like that, and here is written x ones. Okay, close it, and now we will check another time, we will check that when we will, now we will win O's. Okay, so now 1 here, and then it will be 2, it will be 5. Okay, so now we will write like 5 here, and now here will be write 4, and then here we will write 2, then here we will write 3, and then here we will write like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 we will write, and then in 9 it will be like that, and in 8 then you can see O1s. Okay, so you can see this O1 like that. Okay, you can see we will you can see we have made it this game, and I hope you understand how to make it, and I hope you also enjoyed this class. Okay, and this project also, to make how to make a tic-tac-toe game. Okay, so like that, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so you can see this x ones here. Okay, now if you write 8 here, so it will be not working because it is now out of your project. Now close it. Okay, now close it. So I hope you understand that how to make one tic-tac-toe game with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed this class also. So I hope you also enjoyed this. So now for today, goodbye.